Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about 2024 Ram 1500. 2024 Ram 1500 is a full-size pickup truck that continues to impress with its combination of capability, comfort, and technology. Here's a summary of its key features. Design: bold and stylish exterior with available LED headlights and taillights. Available night edition package with blacked out accents. Luxurious and spacious interior with premium materials and available 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Performance: 3 engine options. A 3.6 liters Pentastar V6 with e-torque mild hybrid system. A 5.7 liters Hemi V8 with e-torque, and a powerful 702 horsepower TRX V8. Best-in-class towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds and payload capacity of up to 2,300 pounds. Available air suspension for adjustable ride height. Technology: Uconnect 5 infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Available 12-inch touchscreen display. Advanced driver assistance features including blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Pricing: the 2024 Ram 1500 starts at $41,415 for the tradesman quad cab 4x2 and goes up to $67,805 for the limited crew cab 4x4. Overall, the 2024 Ram 1500 is a great choice for truck shoppers who are looking for a blend of capability, comfort, and technology. If you're looking for a luxurious truck that can handle any job, the 2024 Ram 1500 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more car-related content.